What if the next leap in artificial intelligence is too powerful for us to handle? OpenAI CEO Sam Altman just compared GPT-5 to the Manhattan Project, the top-secret initiative that gave the world the atomic bomb. And he's not being dramatic. He's being honest. GPT-5 is more than a smarter chatbot. It's rumored to generate video, audio, and code, all in one seamless thought process. It understands context across formats. It might even reason like a human. Some insiders say it's the first real step toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI. That's why Altman is sounding the alarm. In private conversations, he's expressed deep concern, not just about how powerful GPT-5 is, but how fast it's evolving. He compared it directly to the Manhattan Project, a breakthrough so transformative, it changed the world overnight, and permanently. Back then, scientists raced to build something they didn't fully understand. Now, we're racing to release AI systems that might outthink us. GPT-5 could revolutionize medicine, solve energy problems, or automate entire industries. But it could also shatter economies, fuel misinformation, and challenge the very idea of human control. So when does it launch? Altman hinted it could drop this month, August 2025. But OpenAI's leadership is split. Some want full release. Others are calling for delay, or even containment. The model may be ready, but society might not be. This moment feels familiar, a historic leap forward. And the same chilling question, just because we can build it, should we? This is Silo Break, watching the cracks form at the intersection of AI, crypto, and everything beyond. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's coming. Drop your thoughts below. Is GPT-5 the next leap forward, or a line we shouldn't cross?